Assalamualaikum viewers. Lecture number 3, numbers, and today's topic is LCM HCF. LCM means least common multiple. Name is small but value is large. HCF means highest common factor. Once again, name is big, value is small. So let's see. 308 as a product of its prime factors. So 308, the unit digit is 8. Even number, it is divisible by 2. So it would be 2 times 154. Once again 4, even number, 2 times 77. 77 is a multiple of 7 and 11. So 2, 2, 7, 11. 2 power 2 and 7 and 11. This is the prime factors, product of prime factors of number 308. Now, second part, we are given that find the HCF of 66 and 308. Now, 66 prime factorization would be 2 times 33, 3 times 11, 11 times 1, 2, 3 and 11. So in HCF we take lowest power, 2 power 1 and 2 power 2, we shall take 2 power 1. Similarly, 11 power 1 common in both. So HCF will be 2 times 11, 22. We have to find LCM of 36 and 48. So 36 and 48, take both at a time. And no need of prime numbers. You can take a number which is common multiple of both. So I think 6 can divide 36 and 48. 6 6 are 36 and 6 8 are 48. Now 2 also divide both. So 2 3s are and 2 4s. Now no common factor. So 6 2 are 12 is HCF. For LCM, 6 times 2, 12, 12 times 3, 36, and 36 times 4, 144 will be the LCM. Now in this question we are given apple, a pack of 6, banana, a pack of 5, and similarly we have peaches, a pack of 12. So 6, 5 and 12 in different packs. So I want to take bananas, apple and peaches with same number. So I will take LCM of that, 6, 5 and 12. The LCM will be 60. So now you can see that 6 apples in a pack, so I will take 10 packs. Similarly, 5 bananas in a pack, I shall take 12 packs. And similarly, peaches, 12 in 1, so I shall take 5 packets of peaches. In this question, we have to find two numbers whose HCF is 3 and LCM is 45. So, product of both, 45 times 3, 135. So, we shall take any two numbers whose product is 135 will be having LCM and HCF 3 and 45. For example, if you take 15 and 9. So 9 factorization 3 square, 15 factorization 3 multiplied by 5. So HCF will be 3 power 1, 3. And LCM will be 3 power 2 and 5, 45. So this is the method to find LCM and HCF because product of two numbers is equal to product of LCM and HCF. Here we are given P 2 cube multiply 3 multiply 5 square and Q we have 2 multiply 3 square multiply by 5. We have to find the HCF. Once again lowest power 2 power 3 and 2 power 2. So we shall take 2 power 1. Similarly 3 and 3 square we shall take 3 power 1 and 5 and 5 square we shall take 5 power 1. So its HCF is 30. Now we have to find LCM of PQ and 21. So 21 is 3 multiply 7. LCM highest power. So 2 power 3, 3 power 2 and 5 power 2 and 7. So our answer will be 12,600. And now we have to find the smallest number n such that p multiply n is a square number. So p factorization is 2 power 3. We make it even. 2 power 1 needed, 3 power 1, 3 power 1 needed and 5 square already. So 2 multiplied 3, 6 is n. So now pn is a square number. And now the last question. The integers from 40 to 70. You have to focus only the integers 40 to 70. Right? The first question is multiple of 9. So 40 to 70, 9 multiple, 9 5s are 45, 54, 63. So these are three numbers which are multiple of 9 between 40 and 70. Similarly, multiple of 6 and 8. So multiple of 6 and 8, you should find 6 and 8 LCM. So 6 and 8 LCM is 24. So 24 to the 48 will be there. Similarly, 3 is a 72, So 72 also, but between 40 and 70 only we have 48. Now next, square root of 2500. That is also between 40 and 70. 50. Factor of 106. So factor of 106 are 4. 1, 106, 2 and 53. So 53 only the number which is between 50 and 70. Now a number which is also cube and also square. So between 50 to 70 square number is 64. So 64 also cube of 4. Right. So now a number which has only 3 factors. So we have to see once again the square number which would be prime. So 49, 7 square. So 49 has only 3 factors. So this is a video of lecture number 3. Topics are LCM and HCF. Soon we shall meet in the lecture number 4.